Hi everyone, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to show you how to use Fluted panel by using Shielding Custom. So go to Shielding Custom. Okay, now I double click to my wall and I create one rectangle shape. Okay, this one I set it for 600 and then for the length I set it for 2400. Okay, bring it closer. So I want to chamfer the shape to make it curve. So I use chamfer type and click to these two type. And then I set the outer fillet as for 300 to make it more obvious. Okay. And then to put the texture of the wooden texture, like seems like fluted panel, I used to integrate it. I drag and drop. Okay, and then it will automatically fill the shape. So I adjust the size of the wooden. Okay, I adjust the wood as for 50, and then the height remain as what we have here. Okay, and then to copy it to the left side, I use paving. Right click, click to paving, continuous paving. Okay, so you can see here. So that is continuous paving. Alright, so let's say if you want to make a gap of it, you can use paving, continuous paving, but this one will set the horizontal spacing as for 30. Okay, so you can see here we have spacing in between of that panel. So you can use these two methods, which is paving, continuous paving without any spacing, and continuous paving with spacing. Alright, so this is how it turns out. Alright, so that's all from me. Thank you.